Good morning. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I see a lot of you guys are getting things accomplished on Google Classroom. So I kind of just want to walk you through what's due today and kind of what's going to happen next week. So on your Google Classroom, you can see I added a new assignment under the Math tab. It says Comparing and Ordering Numbers. So it's a slideshow that you'll have to open. And then there are different slides that you need to do. I can work through some of them with you. I'm learning I only have about 10 minutes to take a video, or then I have to upload more than one. So remember at the bottom, it has directions. So if you read the directions on the bottom, you should be fine if you follow them in order. So the first one, first click on the question mark in each chart and erase and type the correct digits. So here, you click on the question mark, you get rid of it. What digit is in the 100,000s place? Well, there isn't one, so you could put a 0 or leave it blank. What digit is in the 10,000s place? Erase it, and you put an 8 because the 8 is in the 10,000s place. Okay? My computer's being a little slow. So that's what you need to do for the first two slides. The next two slides, so this one I think is the most complicated out of all of them. You have to drag the red arrow to show where each number is located on the number line. So you have to drag this little tiny arrow to where each number is located. It's a little challenging to do. And then you have to type in for each number which one's greater than or less than. The next one, you just got to drag the greater than or less than or equal to signs for each number. Drag the numbers to make them true. Drag the numbers in here to make them true as well. Same thing here. Write a number. So you can write any number that would be greater than this number. True or false. You're just writing if it's true or if it's false based off the date, the information in the chart. You're moving these little check marks over to which one is greater than that number, so there might be more than one. Order these numbers from least to greatest, sorry. These numbers from greatest to least. Here you have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Numbers in order from least to greatest. Order the days from ticket sales, so from the most tickets sold to the least amount of tickets sold. And then just dragging the numbers if it's from least to greatest. So that's what you have to do on the work today. Make sure when you're done, you're marking it done. So like I looked up at Antoine's paper. It was just the first one that I could pull up. And so I have a return button. You should have a turn in button. So when you're completely finished with an assignment, hit turn in. I'll hit return if there's a mistake or if you get something wrong. But you need to make sure that you're turning it in so that I know that you're done, so that I can see that I can grade it. Because I can see how many people have turned in the multiplication assignment from yesterday. And it's just 4, but I know more than 4 of you have been working on it. So make sure you're turning it in. Same with the St. Patrick's Day. I can see that there's only 7 of you have turned it in, but I know more than that has been working on it. So make sure you're hitting that turn in button when you are done. So you have your new assignment. These two multiplication 4 by 1 is due today. Same with the St. Patrick's Day fractions. I'm going to give you about 3 days to finish everything. So the comparing and ordering numbers is due next Tuesday. So I'm giving you about 3 days to work on it. I think that's it. Again, getting on MobyMax, make sure that you are practicing the fractions worksheets, the fractions assignments that I gave you. I think I saw that about 7 of you. 7 of you have done them. But I think that's it. So kind of your layout, St. Patrick's Day activity, check. Multiplication of 4 by 1, check. Comparing and ordering numbers. So make sure you're trying to get through all those things today. I think that's it. Computers, if you know somebody that needs a computer, or if you need a computer, it's happening from between 10 to 1 today. Me and Miss Ponting will be there passing out computers. So if you need one, please grab one. Also, kudos to Lloyd for filling my bucket with a little comment on how great my videos are. So thank you for that, Lloyd. Just keep up the great work, guys. I know it's hard. I know it's challenging. Be nice to your parents. It's rough on all of us. So other than that, have a great Friday and a great weekend.